Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The Kenworth Royalty Mega Caravan, a project whose very conception and execution represent a tremendous effort in automotive and home design, is a tribute to the fusion of heavy-duty engineering with custom luxury. Behind the build refers to the painstaking and extremely specialized procedure that turns a tough, commercial-grade Kenworth chassis into a mobile castle. This process is as much an artistic endeavor as it is an engineering marvel. The Kenworth chassis is, of course, the cornerstone of the Royalty Mega Caravan. Given its unmatched record for dependability, longevity, and enormous towing capacity, this platform was chosen on purpose rather than by accident. The build starts with a chassis that has been stripped down, leaving only steel and mechanical parts. To withstand the exceptional weight and proportions of the proposed structure, engineers carefully examine and reinforce the frame. Despite the vehicle's enormous size and weight, the powertrain, typically a big Cummins or PACCAR engine, is painstakingly adjusted and linked with a unique transmission and suspension system to ensure a smooth, steady ride. The body is constructed using a multi-stage process that combines cutting-edge materials and processes with traditional workmanship. The body of the Royalty Mega Caravan, which is self-supporting in contrast to a typical caravan, is frequently constructed from lightweight composite materials and aerospace-grade aluminum. This guarantees a high level of insulation and structural stability. In order to accommodate the hydraulic systems for the slide-outs and the multi-level living rooms, the basic framework is a complicated puzzle of precisely cut beams and panels. High-density foam and cutting-edge sound-dampening materials are then used to insulate the walls, floors, and ceiling, a crucial step in creating a peaceful, cozy interior atmosphere. The royalty in its moniker really shines through in the interior design. Every surface, piece of furniture, and amenity is made to order to meet the owner's demands in this bespoke process. Exotic hardwoods and veneers are used by skilled artisans and cabinet makers to create a smooth, sophisticated living area. With several power sources, cutting-edge water filtration, and intricate climate control systems, the plumbing and electrical systems are just as complicated as those found in a contemporary home. Integrating these devices into a mobile platform while making sure they are strong enough to endure the strains and vibrations of driving is a major problem. The incorporation of state-of-the-art technology is the last phase of the build. This incorporates a centralized automation system that manages every element of the caravan, including the entertainment, security, lighting, and hydraulic slide-outs. It has a custom-installed infotainment system with big screens and high-end speakers. Digital displays, sophisticated navigation, and driver assistance systems have completely changed the cockpit, making it easier to navigate the enormous aircraft. To sum up, the Kenworth Royalty Mega Caravan is handmade rather than just put together. Its construction is evidence of the talent and commitment of a group of highly skilled engineers, designers, and craftspeople who put in endless hours to turn a commercial truck into an incredibly beautiful, opulent, and one-of-a-kind rolling home.